This is Direct Mark Arenal and welcome to Market Talk. This is my 2-minute audio blog series. Alam na po nating lahat ang nangyayari sa ating bansa ngayon, and I just want to use this 2 minutes to share some of my thoughts. I'm sure these are things also that's going on in your mind. Unang-una po, let us not be weary in praying. Let's continue to keep up the prayer backup, so to speak. No? Sometimes we get frustrated. Mukhang ang ating panalangin ay hindi natutugon. Sometimes we feel like our prayers are being answered, but sometimes we feel like it's not getting answered and things are getting even worse. Kung hindi po ibig sabihin nun ang ating Diyos ay hindi napagkakatiwalaan, hindi po ibig sabihin nun ang ating Diyos ay nawawala ng control. He is still God. One thing I firmly believe is that God is still on His throne and He is still in control and He is still the God who loves our country so much. I don't know why He is allowing these things, but it does not in any way diminish the fact that He is a loving and intelligent God. So please, number one, huwag po tayong tumigil sa pagpanalangin na ipanalangin ang ating bansa. Pangalawa, let us be sensitive to the things that the Lord would like us to do. Maybe some of us are being called by the Lord to help out in rescue operations. Marahil po maraming sa mga tumutulong ngayon ay pagod na by now at kinakailangan na nila ng ibang tao upang tumulong. Relief operations, tumulong po tayo. There are so many announcements out there where we could leave our donations. Maybe we can help in repacking. Get more involved. Just be sensitive to what the Lord may want us to do. Okay? Number 3, be ready to just spread thankfulness, comfort whenever we can. If we can reach out to people who are affected and just to remind them that God still loves them. More than just talking about it, if we can do things that would actually make them experience and understand it. Bottom line, everybody is needed to help out in this crisis. Tumulong po tayong lahat sa panalangin, sa relief operations, sa rescue operations, or just by spreading an attitude of optimism for our country. God bless the Philippines.